Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is Early Rising. Let us start. A person who gets up from sleep from his bed before the sunrise, it known as early rising. It is a very good habit for our health and mind. We can maintain good health with getting up early in the morning regularly. It has so many advantages that improve human lives. Early rising is a very good human habit that helps us to become attentive, focused, and successful. When a person gets up early in the morning, he can start his day with a better vision. The morning time is very quiet and charming. Anybody can enjoy the real beauty of the nature at that time. There are so many good impacts of early morning in our body and mind. It helps us to become fresh. The air is very fresh at that time. It is highly recommended for us to get up early morning. Sometimes it could be very hard to get up from the bed that much early. But it's all about habit. If you can make it your habit, then you will be used to it. It will help you in different ways to get a productive life with so much energy. Benefits of early rising. There are many benefits of early rising for us. Some surveys based on the US and Europe has shown us that the university students who get up early in the morning, they have a higher academic score. It is proved that you have a higher chance to get a better grade if you are a morning bird. Early rising gives you a chance to start your day beautifully. You can plan all the things that you need to do the entire day at that moment. And a perfect plan can make your day awesome. Physical exercises are very important for better health. We get enough time to do exercise in the morning, and it's the best time for exercise. Health effects. There are huge health benefits of early rising. It will improve your body and fitness. If you go for a morning walk and do some exercises, it will develop your body structure in a perfect way. It is proved that when you do some exercises in the morning to boost your energy level and gives you so much motivation to work all the day long. Most of the people find it hard to exercise after their work. That's why morning is the best time. Importance of morning walk. A morning walk is another significant thing that can change your life. It adds so much positivity in your life. When you are going for a morning walk, you are burning calories and that it's helping you to get a fit body. The morning walk is very effective than other times walk. You will find many people like you who are going for a morning walk and you can spend a better time with them. Get more energy. Early rising adds lots of energy to our body in different ways. It helps us to not to become lazy. If you rise early, you will get better sleep at night because you will feel tired end of the day and will get a sound sleep. A sound sleep is very important for better health. And better sleep also burns calories and makes you fit. Attentiveness. Concentration and attentiveness are two major things for students. When you wake up early, it improves your concentration power. That's why it's better to study in the early morning. You will find better attention on your subject and somehow you will feel the hard topics are easy. It happens because of the calm nature of the morning. That's why it's recommended for every student to get up early in the morning and prepare their lessons. It helps to save time too. You will get so many extra hours in the day that you can use to do something else. Conclusion. Overall, early rising is a winning thing. If you are getting up late, then you are missing so many things. To get better physical and mental health, we need to get up early. There are many benefits and importance behind early rising, and that's why we all need to get up early in the morning. Benjamin Franklin said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy and wealthy and wise. That's a perfect quote for us, and we need to follow that to get the best result. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.